Want to know how to view your saved items in bestbuy.com? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step tutorial on how you can easily see your saved items that you had previously saved up in your account. So let's get straight to it. Now in this video, I'm on the Best Buy PC or the laptop application. So you can just simply head towards bestbuy.com and you can just simply log in, and here you should be on this interface. Now seeing your saved items is super simple. On the top right side, you should be seeing this cart right here, and right below it you should be seeing saved items. Just simply like that. And now once I've got saved items, here you can see all the saved items that you have done it. So if you don't see it, you can just simply see all your saved items as well in order to see them in our different ways. And that's it, super simple and easy. Now as you can see right here, your saved items should be right here. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.